Asante sana kwa Jabajiro TV kwa kutembelea shule yetu Mother Mary ambayo ipo Kimara Suka Temboni. Ndani ya shule yetu tumeandalia vipaji mbalimbali na mimi jina langu ni Polka Patrick Mpochowa. Asante sana.
Dear viewers and listeners, this is Mother Mary Television, and now it is news time, which is going to be read by Glory Bryson Uiso. News headlines. Local news. The chairperson of Independent National Electoral Commission has told political parties to prepare for general election. International news. The American Cardinal Robert Prevost has been elected as the new Pope of Catholic Church in the world. And sport news. CAS has dismissed the Yanga's appeal of a postponed derby. Local news. Tanzania general election. The chairperson of Independent National Electoral Commission, Judge Jacob Mwambegele, has asked the Tanzania political parties to prepare for the coming general election that is going to be conducted on November 2025. Let us get more information from our reporter in Dodoma.
Thank you, dear broadcaster. Jacob Mwambegele has insisted political parties to prepare good manifestos that could convince voters to vote for them. He also added by condemning all kinds of illegal strategies during elections, such as bribing, that should not be applied. Has told the people to keep registering in permanent voters register so as to get right of vote. You are a reporter from Dodoma, Nurat Ahmed Msindo, Mother Mary Television.
Thank you, dear reporter from Dodoma. Weather challenges. Tanzania Meteorology Authority, TMA, has announced to the citizens about taking precaution regarding to frequent rain challenge. Let us get more information from our reporter in Kinondoni, Dar es Salaam.
Thank you, dear broadcaster. The TMA director, Ladislaus Changa, has warned people who live in flood-prone area to shift to other safe areas. He has also told parents to take care of their children while going to and from school, to take precaution over flooded rivers and bridges. He referred to a pupil who died while going back home with her father as she was taken away by flood. He has warned driver to prove the condition of bridges before crossing, to avoid accident following the death of 4 people including the driver, when the driver forced to cross the flooded bridge. During the incident, the car was taken away by a strong stream of water to the river, leading to the death of all people within it. According to the police report, the casualties have already been recognized by their relatives. Your reporter from Kinondoni, Dar es Salaam, Shamsa Athmani Shambi, Mother Mary Television.
Thank you, dear reporter from Kinondoni, Dar es Salaam. Street children. More than 20 street children have been caught by policemen while stealing and robbing people's properties in the street. Let us get more information from our reporter in Temboni Police Station.
Thank you, dear broadcaster. According to police report, 20 children were caught in different occasions doing immoral acts. Group of 15 children who are locally known as Panya Road were caught robbing people at Magufuli bus terminal, and 5 children were caught stealing properties at Kimara Suka shops. Both groups were caught and are now locked at Kimara Temboni Police Station. Police officer has advised the family to settle their challenges which cause family separation resulting to occurrence of street children. Secondly, has advised the parents and guardians to send their children to Sunday schools and madrasa so as to grow with fear of God. Lastly, has told parents to keep away mobile phone and internet access because that is one of the sources of moral decay. A reporter from Kimara Temboni Police Station, Brighton Munuo, Mother Mary Television.
Thank you, dear reporter from Temboni Police Station. International news. Vatican new Pope election. The election that took place in Vatican City has made the American Cardinal Robert Prevost to be the new elected Pope. The Catholics are happy to have the new Pope as their top leader in the world. Let us get more information from our reporter in Vatican City.
Thank you, dear broadcaster. The election involved many cardinals from different countries, including Tanzania, that was represented by Protas Rugambwa, and 16 cardinals from other African countries. There are almost more than 100 cardinals out of Africa, making total of 133 cardinals, whereby within them, the American Cardinal Robert Prevost was elected to be the new Pope of Catholic Church, who will be known as Pope Leo XIV. Thank you. You are a reporter from Vatican City, Jaden Ruben Hizo.
Thank you, dear reporter from Vatican City. Congo DR with M23 conflict in Goma. Conflict in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, DRC, has entered a new and more destabilizing stage. A call for a pause in the fighting by leaders from the 8 member states of the East African Community, EAC, and 16 member states of the Southern African Development Community, SADC, was dismissed by Rwandan-backed M23 rebel forces, who have continued the offensive to seize more territory in the eastern DRC. Let us get more information from our reporter in Goma, northeast of Congo.
Thank you, dear broadcaster. The international community, African Union, and United Nations have warned 2 antagonists to sit down for negotiation so as to save lives of innocent people. Many families have been separated due to death of some of their family members, and others have become refugees. The remaining people in Goma are suffering from famine since production has stopped due to war. Congolese are begging believer to God that through him the war will stop. Here we have the international political analyst. Mr. Poka Patrick Pochoa, can you try to explain me about M23 according to experience?
Thank you. M23 is an armed group operating in the Democratic Republic of Congo. This group was formed in 2012 mostly by Congolese and Rwandese soldiers.
Why is it called M23? There is any relation between M and 23?
Yes, M23 was named after the date of peace agreement which was signed in 23rd March 2009. This agreement aimed at integrating CNDP into Congolese army, but later on it was not implemented. CNDP is a group of Tutsi people from Congo and Rwanda who seemed to be discriminated by the government of Congo. This group blamed the government of Congo for breaking the agreement and discriminating people who live in eastern part of Congo. This is one of the sources of the conflict.
So what could be the solution to the conflict?
If the source was breaking the agreement of March 23rd, 2009, then the agreement breaker should follow all necessary conditions for peacemaking, such as releasing of M23 members who are still in prison, to allow M23 to make their own political party, and finally to integrate the M23 army or CNDP into Congolese army. Through this, I think there will be peace between them.
Thank you for the analysis. Reporter from Goma, east of Congo, Grayson Kisaga, Mother Mary Television.
Thank you, dear reporter from Goma, northeast of Congo. And now we are going for a short break. When we will come back, it will be sport news time. Thank you.
Thank you. This is sport news from Christian Revocatus Mangire, Mother Mary Television. CAS has dismissed Yanga's appeal of a postponed derby. Court of Arbitration for Sports, CAS, has dismissed an appeal filed by Tanzania's Young African Sports Club. Let's get more information from our sports lady, reporter from Karume Temeke TFF offices.
Thank you, broadcaster. The team wanted the Cars to make them get free sleep points and sleep goals following the postponement of their match between Yanga against their rival Simba Sport Club that was scheduled on 8 March 2025 at Benjamin Mkapa Stadium. Court of Arbitration for Sport ordered Yanga to handle that case with Tanzania Premier League Board before appealing to CAS. Young African Club responded that they won't be playing that match despite the fact that Tanzania Premier League Board rescheduled it until 18 May 2025. Younger leaders and fans are insisting on the campaign of not playing that match with the slogan "Hatu Chezingo." You are supposedly reporting from Karume Semeke, Mother Mary Television in Sakitari. Thank you.
Delay of video assistance referee, VAR, NBC Tanzania Premier League. Football custodians have been complaining about the mistakes made by referees and other match officials, resulting to Tanzania's match results. Let's get more information from our reporter from Kimarasuka, Tupendane Kijiweni.
Thank you, dear broadcaster. Many football fans have reminded Tanzania Football Federation, TFF, to fulfill their promise by setting VAR on the football stadiums, so as to assist the referees to have better and fair decisions. According to them, different occasions shows unfair decisions of allowing goals that never crossed the goal line, allowing goals scored by hand, and challenge over offside position to players. Let's have an interview with our football analyst, Mr. Raymond Bembati. Hello, Mr. Raymond Bembati.
Hello.
Can you try to tell us the meaning of VAR according to experience?
VAR is a video assistance referee which helps referee to decide different events in the match.
Can you try to tell us the advantage of VAR?
Improve decision accuracy of referees. VAR allows referees to review critical evidence such as goals that never cross a goal finishing line, controversial penalties, and red card punishment. But also VAR increase discipline of players. How? Rate of foul have decreased in match because players are afraid to be seen through a VAR evidence. All those, but there is another one which is left, which referees are reducing pressure because they know if any event which will happen, the VAR will assist them.
Can you try to tell us the challenge of VAR?
VAR has advantages but also has challenges. One of those challenges is VAR is operated by people who may have different weaknesses. Some of those weaknesses is favoritism. What is favoritism? Favoritism is the act of favoring a certain team because of supporting it. Another challenge is that VAR need much money and as well as in learning it. How? VAR need many definition cameras and quality computer. But also VAR need a skilled person who can learn them, whereby towards Tanzania it is still a problem.
Can you try to tell us the opinions you have?
In general, VAR has advantage but also disadvantage. But we should use it to solve different cases in the match. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Bembati, for your analysis. I am reporter from Kimarasuka, Kijiweni cha Tupendane, Ivan Walter, Mother Mary Television.
Thank you. This is sport news from Christian Revocatus Mangire. You are watching Mother Mary Television.
Thank you for your good sport news. And here are again news headlines. Local news. The chairperson of Independent National Electoral Commission has told political parties to prepare for general election. International news. The American Cardinal Robert Prevost has been elected as the new Pope of Catholic Church in the world. And sport news. CAS has dismissed Yanga's appeal over postponed derby. This was your reader, Glory Bryson Uiso from Mother Mary Television. Thank you.
Yes! We are! hatimaye kila kitu ambacho kina mwanzo huwa kina mwisho wake. Na leo tulikuwa katika shule ya Mother Mary ambayo inapatikana Kimara Suka. Na ukitoka tu Suka, ukifika tu baada ya kutoka pale Suka, lazima utakuwa umefika Kimara Temboni. Kuna jambo ambalo nimelimaanisha hapo kupitia wasau. Na ndani humu tumepata burudani, lakini sio hapo tu, tumepata elimu, kujifunza mambo mengi sana. Lakini ambacho kimenifurahisha leo, watoto wa baby class ambao wale tumeshazoea kusikia ni vidudu au chekechea, kuna jambo leo wametufundisha vizuri sana. Na ukumbuke kipindi hiki kinapewa nguvu na madhabahu ya Ngome Yesu Kristo chini ya mtumishi wa Mungu kuhani na Mwalimu Musa Richard Mwacha. Na leo nimefurahi sana kwa sababu nimekutana na watoto wenye shule lenye maana kubwa sana, Mother Mary. Mimi naamini kuna kitu ambacho tumekifahamu na kukipata. Hivyo basi usipange kukosa katika ibada ya siku ya kesho ambayo ni siku ya Jumapili, na Mungu ataenda kukubariki sana mtoto ambaye upo nyumbani. Nyuma kamera alikuwa pale Freedom, lakini producer kipindi hiki ni Happiness Mincha. Nikukaribisha ndani ya Ngome ya Yesu Kristo katika siku ya kesho, na mimi ni Sara Mwanga.